This is a Jobcost.com video tutorial on customer page tabs. In the main cabinet, go to Accounts Receivable, click on Customer List, choose an existing customer. Click on the customer name ID from the customer list. Right below the multicolored buttons along the top are page tabs. These page tabs can be customized by an administrator to add, change, or reorder them. These page tabs display grids with information that correspond to your customer without needing to navigate between screens. It allows you to drill into invoices, receipts, jobs, contacts, and locations directly from the grids. These grids can be searched and sorted in multiple ways. The main tab is the customer record information. Customer Open is all open AR invoices for the customer, less retention. Customer Open with retention is all open AR invoices for the customer, including retention. Customer Invoices are all open and previously paid AR invoices for this customer. Customer Invoice Detail is each individual detail line item for all open and previously paid AR invoices. Customer Adjustments are adjustments that were made to any open and previously paid AR invoices for this customer. Customer Receipts are receipts applied to AR invoices for this customer. Customer Receipt Invoice Detail is each invoice that the receipt was applied to. Customer Transactions show all AR transaction line items for invoices, adjustments, and receipts applied for this customer. Customer Jobs lists all jobs regardless of job status for this customer. Customer Contacts lists all contacts associated with this customer. Customer Locations will show other locations for this customer if there are any. While on any of these page tab screens, use the multicolored buttons below the page tabs. Blue Add is to create a new transaction. Black Excel allows you to export the grid to an Excel file. Black CSV allows you to export the grid to a CSV file. Teal Refresh refreshes the screen after any changes were made. Teal Clear Sorts clears any column sorts used. Teal Clear Filters clears any filters used. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving.